Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Carlos here with GAR Capital. It's September 23rd, 2015. We're going to go over our trade that we had this morning, sent out signal to our members. Right now we are looking at the Euro Aussie dollar. We sent out the signal this morning to the members. We set the buy to go long Euro Aussie at 1.589.3. 1.5893 was the buy, and we went ahead and put a stop loss at 157.50 and the profit target at 161.25. Right now we are currently at 159.36, about 44 pips up on our trade. So we got in 58.93 right about here. Let me go ahead and set this up. 59.3, right around here. So this is a 4-hour chart. Let's go ahead and look at our. Let's go ahead and look at an hourly. Let this load up here. Bear with me, guys. Let this go up to an hourly chart so we could take a look at exactly what we're looking at. Alright, hourly chart shows that definitely a bullish trend. We got a couple of things that we're looking at here with the Euro Aussie dollar. As you know, the Aussie dollar was weak this week. We went ahead and traded that with the yen and the dollar, made tremendous profits on that. As you can see here, we have a couple of pivot points that we can go ahead and look at. How nice is that? That's definitely a bullish trend on the upside. We went ahead and got in at 158.93. We put a market order. We could have bought in at 185, 158.85, a couple of pips off, but we'll take what we can get. There was a lot of volume, especially during Draghi's ECB conference. As you know, that's just like Alan Greenspan back in the 2000s, where when anytime he would talk, the market moved. So that's something that we got to play upon. We're here not to predict. We're here to position ourselves, have risk management, and make sure that we trade what we see, and we don't trade what we think will happen. We don't want that. So as you know, our stop loss for the members, we went ahead and showed it was 157.50. So which will put us right here, just to give us some room. Is that really the support? Probably not. We just like to give ourselves a little bit of a cushion so we don't get stopped out due to any kind of volatility in headlines or news or anything like that. Total profit 61.25. As you know, it's a little higher than where it is. We're currently here 59.34, 983. So we're about 40 pips up right here on this trade. So far so good. It's like I tell all our subscribers and clients, you know your goals. You know your trading goals. What do you want to accomplish? How much profit is enough for you? If they want to close at 40 pips, they'll close at 40 pips. If they want to close at 30 pips, 20, 100, that's up to them. But I will always send out an email saying when I'm holding, when I'm going to close. We're staying patient here. The setup is perfect for us for a bullish trend. Let's go and take a look now to confirm our bullish trend. That was an hourly chart. Let's take a look at a daily. See how long this trade has legs. How high we can go. So daily chart here. Alright. Daily chart. Okay. As you can see here, our 61.25 isn't that far off the base. Isn't that far off of the high of the base. So we're pretty good if we get right here. It bounced off support on this base right here. As you see, there was a climb in August, which ironically was near Draghi's last statement. And look, we're right over here basing on the daily chart and a little bit of a rise. Our TP is right here, 61.25. Oh, you bet we can hit that. Definitely we can hit that. I don't see a problem on why not. It's going to take some patience, obviously, just to get there. Will it happen at this session? More than likely not. But we can hold to the end of the week. It's only Wednesday. So we'll see where we go from there. And just trade that way. But definitely, the trend is in our favor. Definitely, we trended up. We went ahead and did a little bit of a base, and as you can see, a bounce off the little mini support here at around maybe 157, maybe 157.25 as our support. It bounced off support. Resistance would be right under 162. So we have all this room right here for those pips. Definitely make that profit. So let's go ahead and take a look at what to look for this week. Maybe anything that will affect the euro. As you know, today, we'll look at tomorrow. Okay, here we go. Got a couple things on the agenda. Got a euro coming out at 5 in the morning. Oh, and also tomorrow for dollar, Yellen speaks. It's basically another Draghi there. Will she be bullish, excuse me, dovish, or hawkish on rates? That we will definitely go over. I don't see them raising rates until November, if that, but we will definitely have a video up for our members and everyone else in regards to that. But for right now, we're looking at the euro and what can affect our trade. Let's go ahead and take a look at September 24th, which would be tomorrow. And we're looking at the target LTRO, loan to value here. Let's see how it would look regarding the loans and everything. German climate. Now here's something that's very interesting about this one. As you know now, with the Volkswagen ignition switch controversy going on now, the emissions, excuse me, it's going to be very interesting to see what the euro does and how it affects the economy in Germany. Volkswagen is a big company, so we need to take a look at that and see how that's going to play out for us. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there. We'll keep our eyes on the news, and let's take a look again at our trade. We're trading pretty well, 159.30, and holding pretty steady on a 4-hour chart. Let's take a look one more time at the hourly, and we're still pretty solid, you know. Still very solid with our analysis. Definitely want to move. Definitely looking at, you know, the trend here is your friend. Trend is your friend. Can't stress that enough. This was definitely a high probability trade. Definitely something where it's not a lot of risk. Yes, we did have a big spread, but we wanted to make sure that we didn't get knocked out. So that's what we're looking at right now. We're going to stay patient as always. If we have to go till tomorrow and hold, we will. I just don't see it coming down anytime soon. And with Aussie being weak and China being weak, this is a perfect setup. We want to pit the strongest performing currency, which would be the euro, versus the weakest, which would be the Aussie this week. Aussie. That's exactly what we want to pit. Strong versus weak. Definitely, you know, a lot of traders are going with euro dollar, and that's fine, but dollar has been very mildly strong. So we're just going to go ahead and stick with what we got. And that's what we got for today. And if you guys have any questions, make sure to email me, garcapital@gmail.com. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to subscribe and put some comments in below. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll definitely look into everything, and let's make those pips. Alright guys, talk to you later.